Hi, it's Tracy Jackson, also known as a spiritual cheerleader, and today I'm coming to you to share an unboxing video of Meggan Watterson's Divine Feminine Oracle. I've been waiting for this deck since she started showing us the cards and telling us about each of the individual feminine or women that she has in here. Obviously they're all divinely inspired. They're all women, obviously, but guidebook's pretty thick, which is really nice. The cards are they're kind of that satin finish now, from what I understand. Oh my gosh, that's the first time that I've ever broken one. First time. I usually keep them, but I'm gonna just go through each of the cards here to touch them so you can see. It's Mary Magdalene, Mary of Nazareth, the Mother of God. Love these cards. And the artist has the moniker on Instagram and Facebook of She Who Is. These are so gorgeous. I love them. I absolutely love them. Just beautiful. Our Lady of Guadalupe, she showed this one today. I hadn't seen it. Teresa of Avila. I mean, they literally kind of look at you, look to your soul almost. The eyes like whoa. Almost like they're looking through you. Absolutely gorgeous. And they all have this red to them. I just dropped Holly. Meggan has an affinity for the color red, symbolizing, the red tint, the red thread. Just gorgeous. I love that she actually uses models that embody the actual culture that the card comes from. These are just absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful cards. Look at this. I mean, just beautiful. Just beautiful. I love how she's incorporated the red in each of these cards in the most appropriate manner. Look at this green tarot card. And look how she incorporates the red into the green tarot. Just beautiful. Ugh. I'm so excited about these cards. And I will show you the back of them too. The back is really pretty as well. She so pretty. Lilith, Queen Esther. I love it. Amaterasu. I mean, these are just so beautiful. White Buffalo Calf Woman. Look at Bridget. I mean, just beautiful. I can't even. Oh, and Saint Bridget, who actually kind of bears a resemblance to Rose Leslie a little bit. Oh my God, my favorite, Isis. How beautiful is she? Sekhmet. Hestia. Pretty. Sappho. Ariadne. Which, if you've watched Inception, you know who she is. Diana. Oh my gosh. Moja. Freya. Get a Nana. Oh wow. She said it in Hedoana. In Hedoana. And Sarah Lakali. And the cosmic egg symbolizing the divine feminine. And she kind of has that symbol on the back of each of these cards, which is amazing. I haven't looked at the guidebook. Obviously, you saw me open everything, but literally just in looking at it, it looks like what she has done here. So like I'm looking at Kali, she gives you information on who the person is, who the woman is. Then she gives you guidance for when you select this card. And I love how she says it, when your soul selects her card. And then you get a soul voice meditation and an intention after. So I love this. I absolutely love this deck. I'm so excited to do readings with it. I'm gonna try to come back on this weekend and do a weekly guidance card pull from this deck, since it's new, for you guys. So I hope that you guys will join me back for that. If you like this unboxing, feel free to like it, share it, comment on it, let me know. I like doing these unboxings, but just wanted to see if they are of interest to you guys. And I hope to see you back here for a little card play, you know, later on. Like I said, I'm gonna, since I haven't done one in quite a while, I'll do a weekly guidance reading with this deck, just to see what we need to know with the Divine Feminine Oracle. So I hope that you enjoyed that. Like I said, feel free to like, share, and comment, and I will include a link to Meggan's website so that you can, you know, see the cards and everything. I know she has an event coming up for people that pre-order the deck or order the deck on the 29th of May. So if you haven't gotten it and you're thinking about getting it, go ahead and get it so that you can get in on this free offering that she has, that she's going to do on the 29th. All right. I will talk to you guys later. Have a great night. Bye.